Yo, peace. Let's tap in today. I'm gonna show you how I created this cover photo. I started off by doing a Google search for a selfie. What up, love? What up, dope? Found one, so I chose that. Brought it over into Midjourney. There's a ton of image generators out there, but Midjourney is my preferred one. I seen a couple that I like, so I chose that one, and I was like, yo, this look dope. It looked like me. Let's bring that into Photoshop. In order to do this, you need the Photoshop beta that had just dropped. Only the beta has the Generative Fill property. I create a border around the main image, then I invert that, and then I just do the Generative Fill, and boom, there we go. I needed a new whip, so alright, things are sizing up pretty good. After that, I needed some dope text. So I wanted to stay with something that was more straight, easy to read, but I did want to put it behind me. And then I brought in my messages design. I went ahead and started creating the look that I needed for this design to be one piece. So I doing my little mock-up thing, you know what I'm saying? If y'all need to understand these tools a little bit more in depth, then go ahead and check out my caption below. Other than that, push the video to the homies, and I get up with y'all next time. Peace.